Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is our weekly grocery haul and our weekly meal plan. Everything that you see here will be on the screen, the total and the prices. And make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know what you are going to be making this week. So the meal plan for this week is on Sunday, we're doing a creamy chicken and rice casserole. Monday will be leftovers. Tuesday will be wings with fries. Wednesday will be a new recipe that we're going to try. It's Big Mac Sloppy Joes. Thursday, we're just going to have our regular fish and a veggie. Friday, we'll probably go out to eat. I'm not sure yet because it is payday. Then Saturday, we're either going to have leftovers because we'll have wings and the rice casserole and everything. So we're going to either have leftovers or we're going to have breakfast. Who knows? We'll keep you updated about that. All right, so starting over here, we had to pick up some meat. So we didn't have any more chicken breast in the freezer. So we picked up a pack of chicken breast and then a pack of wings for wing night. Picked up some hamburger buns for the Sloppy Joes. I picked up Oreos. I have no idea why I picked them up, but they were there and they were taunting me, so I got them. Jared picked up some pretzel salty sticks. Alec picked up some on the border chips, and then Jared also picked up some kettle cooked jalapeno chips. So those are our snacks. Over here in the fruits and veggies, we got a avocado, onion for the Sloppy Joes. I picked up some fruit from Walmart. It's raspberries, and I was thinking about going to the fresh market, which we probably still go to the fresh market on Sunday, but these actually looked really good, so I decided to pick that up. Picked up some green bananas, and then picked up another pack of the Sargento Balance Breaks. If you like this, then you should go to Sam's because they actually have a bigger pack. I think like a 10 pack or so for like $10 or $14. So that's what I need to do, is go to Sam's and buy the bigger pack of that. Jerry picked up some canola oil. Probably did not say that right. Alec picked up some hot sauce, Texas Pete. Plain panko breadcrumbs, we needed that. Picked up some sweet relish. Now, I do not eat sweet relish. I really don't. But this ingredient was called for in the Big Mac Sloppy Joes. So we're just going to use that. And then Jared, and then we'll eat it on hot dogs. Picked up some more sour cream. Cream of mushroom for the chicken and rice. Now, drink-wise, we picked a Dr. Pepper Cherry. This is Jared's. I think this is Alex. It's Mountain Dew Liberty Dew, or Brew. It's actually pretty good. And then I picked up this new thing. It's called Karma. It's a probiotic water, and it's actually pretty good. It's the flavor of strawberry lemonade. And the nutrition is actually pretty good. Can't really see it because it's a glare and it's a clear bottle. But super good. I'm going to try the other two flavors. Picked up a big thing of white vinegar because we needed some more vinegar. And also, when my mom's here, she likes to use it in cooking. So we just picked that big thing up. They picked up some beer and then some Mountain Dew, the Liberty Brew, and then regular Mountain Dew Voltage. Picked up some more mayonnaise because we needed some mayonnaise. Jared picked up this because he wanted to use this for steak night next time, and it's herb and garlic marinade, which I'm all about some herb and garlic. Can't really say that right, or didn't say that right. Picked up some creamy French dressing. I've never bought this in my entire life, but it called for the Sloppy Joes. And then I decided to pick up some chicken bouillon because some of my friends that are on YouTube that does the dinners, they always use this instead of buying just the carton of chicken broth, which I thought it was so smart, and I've never really done it. And we'll save a lot of money than buying the liquid form, and I can just make liquid form with my sink water. But anyways, I picked this up, and I'm super excited to try it. Jared picked up some cheese. He got some pepper jack cheese and the Colby and Monterey Jack. And then non-essential items, I had to pick up some more face wash. So this is the Neutrogena oil free acne wash in the pink grapefruit, and this is pretty much the only thing that will actually work for me. And then we picked up the automatic toilet bowl cleaner with bleaching action. This actually really works, you guys. Not the blue tablets, you need the white tablets. go check that out because it actually does work. But anyway, so here's the overview of our grocery haul. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and make sure you go and like and subscribe down below. And I hope y'all have a great week coming up, and I will see you guys on Tuesday for a 52-week challenge. Bye, you guys.